Hello South Africa. Tweeps drag YouTuber for getting haircut in class. YouTuber and influencer King Uma is known for his quirky content and pranks, but a recent video did not go down well with social media users. The YouTuber, who is an accounting student at the University of Johannesburg, disrupted a lecture to get a haircut during class. In a now viral video posted on Thursday, July 28, King Uma brought his barber along to his university lecture for a haircut, but the lecturer was not very pleased. The lecturer bemoans the YouTuber, saying his actions were unacceptable. "What is this?" asked the lecturer. "I mean, honestly, am I going to do my face in here?" asked the lecturer. The lecturer kicked King Uma and his barber out of the class and continued on with her lesson. Reacting to the video, Tweeps were not happy with King Uma's prank, and some called for the YouTuber to be suspended from the university. "I'm actually so angry at this. It makes me so angry. To think how high university fees are only for someone to do this in class," wrote one tweet. "This is disrespectful, and I hope the university will take serious measures against him. He's wasting other students' time and being disruptive." Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.